Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to sign up and create your account with Saral Pro. To get started, go to Saral Pro website and click on the sign up button if you are a new user. In the sign up window, give your email ID, password and then confirm the password to create an account. You can also sign up with your Google account. For confirming your mail ID, an activation code is sent to your registered email address to activate your account. Enter this activation code along with your mobile number, first name and last name and click on Activate Account. Your account is now created. You can log in using your login credentials. To log in, enter your email ID and password and click on Login. Once you log in, you will be asked if you are a business or a profession. If you are in a profession, select the particular profession you are in and enter your membership name and membership number with the institution you are enrolled in and click on Save. If you are in a business, select the kind of business you are in and click on Save. This was the process for creating a new login in Saral Pro. Now let us create a new entity. For creating a new entity, please fill in all the details shown on the screen such as name, address, state, place, PIN code and mobile number and then click on Save. Here the mandatory fields are name, state and mobile number. Next, we need to create a file by entering the details like company name, state and mobile number. After this, you need to select the modules you want to work on. Saral Pro has options for GST, TDS and income tax. Depending on the module selected, the GSTIN, TAN, PAN entry will be made mandatory. For now, we have enabled the GST module. Enable the branch option in case there are many branches of a business under the same GSTIN or TAN and click on Save. The file is now created and the dashboard is ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.